Hey guys and gals, me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I got my son-in-law and my two grandsons here with me, and we're going to start the goofy cart, and we're going to run it through the gears, and we're going to give you video footage of it running and driving without wheels. It's off the ground, obviously. Here we go!
Still not starting.
Well, can you see up in there that hole? That hole should not be empty. That's where the throttle adjustment is for the carburetor. Somewhere along the line we lost that screw. It has a screw and a spring similar to that that actually goes up inside that hole, and an O-ring. And I tried to use something a little bit different, but it wouldn't quite work. And that's why every time we tried to start it, as you'll see right now, that it would just race and race and race and want to run away. Now, one of the things you got to remember about this motor is one of the modifications that I made to it is I eliminated the governor on it so that I could get more RPMs out of it and get a little more power, don't you know. So I have ordered another carburetor. And this is Thursday. It's supposed to be here Monday or Tuesday of next week, and we'll get that on there and then we'll try again. As you might have noticed, and I haven't looked at the footage myself yet, but as you might have noticed, I had my boys all with me here, Kevin and Owen and Andrew, and we were going to start this and run it through the gears with the body on but without the wheels on it. So that didn't happen. So I guess what I need to do now is focus on getting my seat fixed. And yep, I still got to take this horn off and clean it up and mount it permanently. Let me tell you the story behind this horn. This horn was bought back in the 70s. Probably around 1974 is what my friend Junior Peachy told me. And he bought it from J.C. Whitney. And it was to go on his, let me see, was it 69 or 66? 69, I think it was, Dodge Charger. And he had it on there for a couple of years. This is when he was a teenager in high school. And yeah, so it's been around for a while, but it's still working. You know, these old things tend to work longer than some of the new things. They weren't made to be obsolete right off of the bat, you know what I mean? So thanks again, Junior, for passing this along to me. And now it'll become an integral part of the Goofy Cart 2. Get to see the 2 under there. Yep. As you all remember, those of you who've been following along should remember what the first Goofy Cart looked like. And I'll insert a picture here. And so I'm hoping to be out here again tomorrow. This is Thursday. I'm hoping to be out here on Friday and tie up some of these other loose ends. Probably take this carburetor off and have everything ready for when the new one comes in. And then we'll give it a try again. And I spoke with the manager of a local airport and have permission to come up there and run the Goofy cart. Can't tell you which one or where it is at the moment. That's a secret location. But when we do it, we'll video it, and I have permission to do that. So until my next update, which probably won't be till we get the carburetor in and get it put on. But until then, thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing, and all of your wonderful comments and compliments. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.